Electronic Hints heartily welcome you to deepen your knowledge in FM. Welcome you to view this video. This video explains details of the FM in simple form. You will receive clear and detailed knowledge of FM. The video helps you refresh or receive information of FM. Please like, share this video, subscribe this video channel and press the bell button. Thank you. What is the frequency modulation? In frequency modulation, the frequency of carrier signal is varied in accordance with amplitude of the modulating signal by keeping amplitude and phase of the signal are constant. What is the frequency spectrum of the FM signal? The frequency spectrum of FM signal consists of a carrier frequency and multiple sidebands located around it. What is the modulation index of the FM? In FM, the modulation index is defined as the ratio of frequency deviation to the modulating frequency. It is expressed by MI. Mathematically, it is represented as MI equal to del F divided by FM, where del F is the frequency deviation and FM is the modulating frequency. What is the instantaneous voltage of the FM modulated wave? The instantaneous FM voltage is given by Vt equal to Vc into sin 2 pi fct plus Mi sin 2 pi fmt, where Vc is the carrier voltage, Fc is the carrier frequency, Mi is the modulation index and Fm is the modulating frequency. What are the methods of producing an FM wave? The FM is produced by the direct method and the indirect method. What is the direct method? In this method, the transmitter originates a wave whose frequency varies as function of the modulating source. It is used for the generation of NBFM, that is, Narrowband FM. Reactance or varactor diode modulator is used in this method. What is the indirect method? In this method, the transmitter originates a wave whose phase is a function of the modulation. Normally, it is used for the generation of WBFM, that is, wideband FM, where WBFM is generated from NBFM, that is, narrowband FM. Armstrong modulator is used in this method. Give the power of the FM signal. The power of the FM signal is the carrier power plus power in sidebands. What is the bandwidth of FM? The bandwidth of FM, sideband formation and spectrum of a frequency modulated signal are not as straightforward as they are for an amplitude modulated signal. Carson's rule is used to find the bandwidth of FM. Which factors are required to FM sidebands? The FM sidebands are dependent on both the level of deviation and the frequency of the modulation. What is the typical bandwidth of FM? The typical bandwidth is 200 kHz. What are the types of frequency modulation? Based on the modulation index, FM can be divided into two types. They are narrowband FM and wideband FM. What do you understand by narrowband FM? Narrowband FM is a type of frequency modulation where the modulation index is small, typically less than 1. This results in a narrower bandwidth compared to wideband FM. The narrowband communication is used in two-way mobile radio communication. What do you understand by wideband FM? Wideband FM refers to frequency modulation where the modulation index is significantly greater than 1. This results in a broader bandwidth occupied by the FM signal, including more sidebands than narrowband FM. Wideband FM is used in various applications, including some military communications. What are applications of FM? Beyond FM radio broadcasting, frequency modulation is utilized in various fields, including two-way radio communication, television sound transmission, radar systems, data transmission technologies like frequency shift keying and military communication. What are advantages of FM? It is primarily due to its superior noise immunity and ability to carry more information. FM is known for its higher fidelity, broader bandwidth, resistance to interference, making it suitable for high quality audio broadcasting and other applications. What are disadvantages of FM? These include its limited coverage area, higher equipment cost, wider bandwidth requirements, and the need for close antenna placement for optimal signal reception. Additionally, FM signals can be more susceptible to certain types of interference. Thanks to Google, Books and ChatGPT.